Okay, hello traders, how are you all doing? So without any analysis, I just want to go with the sellers only because of this strong force, strong momentum. So I can rely on it because of this really very strong momentum. Otherwise I would have not taken this trade by just observing the situation. I took it only because of the momentum. So let's just try to predict some candlesticks so that this is going to be my very morning session. So you can see the time 7:46 a.m. here in BD. So okay, let's just see what is going on. Okay, that was a very news time, and okay, yes, okay, I think it's a little bit hard. This is going to be a little bit hard to predict the next candle, but I can go with it's really very hard because I don't want to lose any trade. You can see it's already going down and my net connection is really very bad. I don't know why it is happening again and again whenever I just want to my net connection is really very bad. I'm really very sorry for that. I want to change the connection. I want to reconnect the system here. Okay, that one was already a winning trade, and only because of the connection I am having some problems. Man, I just want to go there. And disconnect it, and now again connect it, and this works pretty well that I have seen. You can see it's working. Okay, let's go to the lot option, because here is a situation. This is a strong downtrend and I took my trade above the half of this candle, so I'm expecting that will give me a winning trade. You can see this is going down, so you will have to understand this kind of things. If you don't have proper informations about this kind of situations, then it will be really very difficult for you to win a trade. So you can see it's already going down and it's becoming a red candle. Okay, no problem. The thing that I told you, I took the trade below the above the half of the candle, so this single candle can stop this strong force. We could go with the sellers, but I need some better confirmations because market is really very tricky. Okay, let me go with the buyers here because I can see some buyers entry from this level, and I don't think that I have taken the right decision. Okay, no problem. Let's just wait for this result, because I told you at first this single candle can't stop this strong force, and I just gone wild and took a wrong decision. But this is all okay. I want to go with the higher option from here 100%, because it's actually the momentum was really actually the sellers were losing their momentum here, and I can see something like a Marubozu candle, something like that, and that means that they tried their best after a buyer's entry, and that's why now the buyers will definitely get into the market. So that was the logic behind that. So I lost my trade here. I just told you that this is going to be a red candle, but actually it was my lack of analysis that I missed the trade. So no problem. I am actually my profit is here 27. So I am totally okay with that because I have managed my losses. So I took 4 trades. One of them are losing trades, one is winning trade, but this momentum is really very powerful. Okay, let me see what is going on in this world here. My net connection is really very bad, and that is why it is doing. Oh no, my god, please, the timing is not right. I'm hoping that the trade was not taken. Oh no, man, I wanted to take my trade here, and also the timing was not right. I was not aware of that. Okay, let's just see what happens, because this is a late entry for me, and this is also something like the timing was not right also, and it's I took this trade nearly about buyer's area, so it's a little bit risky, but I think that the momentum of the market will give me a winning trade, because I told you I wanted to take my trade on this candle. It would have been a winning trade here, and also this is going to be also a winning trade, no problem. So okay, that's it. Good. Just see and try to take your decision. Okay, it's going really a lot down, so okay, it's a little bit harder. It's really a little bit harder because it's really very strong force here. Okay, let me take some decisions from here. Because it's a little bit tough. ये थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली टफ है, क्योंकि इसको देखने में वैसा नहीं लगता है, पर ये स्ट्रॉन्ग जो फोर्स है ये लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग है. ओके, मुझे ये ट्रेड I don't take this trade because I understood that this would have been a green candle, but I didn't took any risk against the trade. You can take your trades actually better when you will go with the direction. That would be better. Okay, I have taken 5 trades. Now I just want to win another trade, but I have recovered my losses here for this trade. So this is all okay, but it's not that good to stay in the market for the long time. Okay, I think we should go the higher option. Okay, let's just see, because we are getting back from a strong support level, and I'm seeing a strong green candle here, and that is why I'm expecting that the market will be going up from this level. So this is not any of my advanced analysis. I am saying you for the first time. Actually, I'm just informing you. So okay, let's just see what happens. I took this trade only because of this analysis. This is a green candle. The buyers are powerful here, and we are getting up from a strong okay, let me show you strong buyers area. If you see that, then if you go here, then you will be able to see some buyers entry. That's why the buyers are a little bit powerful, and that is why I just understood that buyers may continue at least for 1 minute to actually push the market up, and that's why I took this trade. Okay, hello, sorry. Okay, friends and family, I lost 1 trade. This is only because of my actually awareness. I was not aware about that, and that's why I lost this trade. But I told you there is a chance to go down from this level, but I was not really that aware for that. and I can see a green candle. Okay, the next candle was a green candle. I took this trade here, and then I wanted to take this trade, but I missed it. Okay, let me explain you from the first time. So this is a strong momentum. I just went with the flow. And it gave me a winning trade because this is a strong selling force, right? And then I took this trade here because I can see a strong selling momentum, and I took this this trade here only because that it was a little bit higher than the half of this previous candle, and that's why I took lower option, and this was also a win. And here I thought some buyer's entry, but I told you at the first time that this single candle is a little bit risky to trade in the higher option. That's why this was a lack of my analysis, and that's why I lost this trade. And now you can see a straw. I just only to recovering my losses, I took 3 trades here in a time, and I already recovered my loss. You can see I also explained you why this is a red candle. This is a green candle, because you can see a strong momentum from the market, and it is something like a Maruboju candle, and they are losing their momentum, and sellers tried their best for this last time, and now this is buyers time. That's why buyers become really, really powerful. And in this trade I wanted to take my trade here, but unfortunately I didn't saw the timing, and that is why unfortunately I took my trade in this place. So it was a little bit risky, and only because of not watching the time in the right time, I got wrong entry point and also wrong wrong timing, and that is why it became I wanted to take the trade in this candle. It would have been a win, but no problem, it was also a win, because after buyers entry, sellers entered again, and they pushed the market down at least from this level, and then the buyers came in. Okay, and then I took this trade. I wanted to take this trade also, but it was a little bit confusing for me, so I didn't took this trade. After this trade I got a little bit confirmation that because the buyers entered, and strong buyers entry and strong rejection, that's why this there's a chance to enter the buyers at least for 1 minute, and that's why I took this challenge. But you can see it was a really, very risky. I should have taken the trade a little lower, so that it would have been a great entry point. Okay, no problem. So I traded 1 2 3 4 5 7 trades. One of them is ITM, and I told you why it's lost. So that's it for today. That's it for today's morning session. You can see the timing. So all the best, bye bye, and good day. So have a nice day. Or if anybody wants any kind of help, okay, no problem, you just you can connect with me, and we can have some better ideas. All the best, bye bye, and good day. This is Jal Chandravarman signing off.